Warm greetings from Greece, from Athens. I'm Dr. Anya Lampon. I'm a STEM instructor and a global educator, a global academician. I'm working at the Greek Ministry of Education at the Greek Astronomy and Space Company. I'm very honored and very excited to be invited to the World Parliament of Knowledge Summit. And I would like to congratulate all the organizers of this great event. And of course, I would like to warmly thank Saya Danis for the kind invitation. My topic today will focus on fostering equality in space and STEM careers. For too long, many talented people, especially girls and underrepresented groups, have been left out of the story of science. But times are changing. Today, we recognize that innovation grows stronger when everyone is included, when every curious mind gets a chance to reach for the stars, quite literally. So, space exploration and STEM are not just about rockets, robots, and research. They are about dreams, discovery, and diversity. When we open doors for everyone, we open new paths for humanity itself. So welcome once again, and let's aim high, think big, and make sure that the universe of opportunities in STEM is open to everyone. So we'll start sharing my presentation. I hope it's visible now. So I will start with some very interesting statistics that women are still underrepresented, unfortunately, in STEM fields, given the fact that only 30% of women globally are engaged in STEM workforce. Less than 30% of researchers worldwide are women. Women are also underrepresented in STEM leadership positions, and also the enrollment of women is particularly low in ICT, mathematics, statistics, engineering, manufacturing, construction. The same happens in big tech companies where women are outnumbered and in leadership jobs in these companies. And what about space? It's interesting to see that according to UN, approximately 22% of space industry employees are women, with little change over the past 30 years. Only around 11% of all astronauts have been women, and women hold approximately 90% of CEO positions in aerospace and defense. However, women have shown the triumphs and victories in STEM field. We can mention the case of India, where women leaders were behind the historical space mission Chandrayaan-3. So, space education is STEM. What is the importance of STEM education for girls in space? So, encouraging more girls to pursue STEM careers in space exploration is essential for several reasons, both for the girls themselves, but for the broader space industry. So first, we need to say that when more girls enter space-related fields, the industry benefits from a broader range of ideas and problem-solving approach. So diverse teams are proven to innovate more effectively, tackling complex challenges with fresh perspectives, and the demand for skilled professionals in space science, engineering, technology is growing rapidly. Engaging more girls in STEM education helps fill this gap, ensuring a stronger workforce for future space missions and innovations. At the same time, it's about breaking stereotypes, because historically, space exploration has been viewed as a male-dominated field, so encouraging more girls to join STEM careers in space challenges. Space, this actually has to do with how we can break down gender stereotypes and promote equality in the workforce. Women currently make up only about 20% of space-related professionals, I mentioned before, so increasing female participation in these fields helps create a more balanced and equitable representation in science and technology industries. And by pursuing STEM careers in space exploration, girls gain access to a wide range of high-paying, impactful, intellectually stimulated jobs in fields like aerospace engineer, planetary science, and space medicine. Participation in STEM fosters critical thinking, problem solving, leadership skills. So when girls succeed in STEM fields, they build confidence, not just academically, but in their overall capabilities. Um, it's about breaking stereotypes, closing gender gap. It's about expanding career opportunities. And when girls succeed in STEM careers, they become role models for future generations of young women. Representation matters because when girls see other women excelling in space, they're more likely to envision themselves in similar roles. And space exploration is inherently exciting and fosters curiosity about the universe. So engaging girls in space-related STEM education nurtures a lifelong love of science, technology, and discovery. At the same time, a more diverse workforce leads to more creative and effective solutions to complex space exploration challenges, from space travel to studying distant planets. So women's contributions to space science can push the boundaries of human knowledge and technological progress. As space exploration becomes more global and inclusive, it's important that all segments of society, including women, are represented. And this ensures that future missions, policies, and discoveries are shaped by a wide variety of voices. Um, and what about the impact on society, where more women enter STEM careers, especially in high-profile ones like space exploration? This can have a ripple effect on encouraging greater social interest in STEM, and this can help inspire entire communities and contribute to scientific literacy on a global scale. And many global challenges, from climate change to resource management, of course, require STEM-based solutions. So encouraging girls to pursue STEM careers. This means more minds working on the critical issues facing humanity, both on Earth and in space. The future of space exploration, whether it's Mars colonization or space tourism or deep space missions, this requires the best and brightest minds from all genders and backgrounds. Encouraging girls to join space-related fields ensures that the future of space exploration is truly inclusive. Women have already made incredible explorations and contributions to space, but more female perspectives can help expand our understanding of the universe and lead to groundbreaking discoveries that benefit all of humanity. So encouraging more girls to pursue STEM careers in space exploration, it's about more than just gender equality. It's about unlocking a top talent, driving innovation, and ensuring that the future of space exploration includes the full potential of humanity. By supporting girls in STEM, we're not only empowering them, but also enriching the entire field of space science. The challenge is persistent. This has to do usually with lack of motivational models, of course, with all these long persisting bias, and the access to resources, the lack of teacher training, and how to keep up with the latest advancements. Some space education programs and initiatives, NASA's education program, European Space Education Initiative, Space Camp, CubeSat programs, and I'm very honored to be a part of a new historical space mission. I mentioned that I'm a space educator. And in 2025, I was elected as a country ambassador for Greece of an innovative space pioneering program called Mission Shaktisat. This project was launched by Space Kids India, an aerospace startup which is specialized in designing satellites and rockets, partnered of the Indian Space Research Organization. And the prime objective of the mission is actually of course, it's driven by the burning desire to empower little girls globally through the all-spirit realm space exploration, and it plus the participation of 12,000 girls from every corner of the globe, representing 100 diverse nations. So the mission targets to provide technical training to girls from 108 countries to build their own CubeSats. Students, including the students of Greece, of my country, they attend a MOOC, a program, and the best students will be selected, and we will visit India for the technical training, and we'll build satellites which will be set to the moon. So we talk about a very important historical space mission. So why it's important? Because, of course, it unleashes the universe untapped stars. It's about equal access to infinity. It's about igniting passion and breaking barriers. Apart from this, I'm collaborating with the Greek Astronomy Space Society here. So we're organizing workshops, STEM workshops. And the goal, the objective of these workshops is actually to build a motivation in girls by developing science skills in early childhood, to help expand point of school and summer STEM opportunities for girls, to actually provide more training opportunities for STEM teachers, support the financial, educational, and deprived girls and women in STEM, help girls increase their scientific knowledge, understanding of science, help them acquire scientific literacy, help them collaborate in the production of important projects, and increase their interest in STEM and, of course, space science. And some of my students have also implemented amazing projects about women in science, which were awarded in European competitions. So thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you the best for this great event. Thank you very much. Bye.